very good evening to one and all present today. So, on behalf of MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts, I, Dipti Bhosle, welcome you all. A very warm welcome to our Dean, Faculty of Arts, Fine Arts and Performing Arts, Professor Dr. Milind Dhobre, sir. All the faculty members, dear participants, welcome once again. So today we have gathered here for award ceremony for the first Visual Lalit National Level Art Competition 2021. This competition was initiated and organized by MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts, a flagship institute under MIT Art Design and Technology University. Let us have a look at the college video. I request our technical team to please play the video. The Visual Lalit Art Competition was started in March 2021 up to 15th June 2021. The competition has sketching, drawing, and photography for student category as well as professional category in all media. I would now like to request our Dean, Faculty of Arts, Fine Art, and Performing Art, Professor Dr. Milind Dhobre, sir, to address the program. Over to you, sir.
Namaste. Thank you, Dipti. Good evening to all. It is really a pleasure and a great privilege and pride moment for all of us. Today we have gathered together for a very special event, Visual Lalit Art Competition that we have taken online. And this competition we have established, we have conducted for different groups. So basically, we divided it into two groups. That is, first group for students category and second group was for professional category. See, and the topics given to them were photography, painting, drawing, sketching. So MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts is a leading institute in the state under MIT ADT University. You all are aware since last 1.5 years, we are going through very difficult situation and suffering a lot. But our creativity is suddenly active, and we all are doing some or the other creative works in our day-to-day life. Due to this online teaching learning activities, we thought of doing some different activity which can enhance your creativity at home. So we thought, like, since you all are creative person, creative artist, you have creative talent, inborn creative talent. So that's why we thought of this online drawing, sketching, and photography competition. And I'm really happy to say that we have got humongous response from all over the country. We have received entries not only from Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Assam. We have received entries from many major cities and many major schools from various age groups. Also, we have received entries from overseas. We have got few entries from Dubai and connecting countries. We are really happy to see that this is the first year that we have launched this program to encourage new talent, to encourage students and professionals to participate in this competition. And of course, we would like to take this competition ahead to various age groups, right from school-going students to professional category. This is the first year that we have launched this activity online mode, but I'm very sure with the help of management and their continuous support, we will definitely take this competition ahead at national and international level. Looking at the photographs, drawings, and paintings we have received, one will be really happy to see the results that yes, whatever entries were selected by our honorable judges are really stunning. And it was really a difficult job for all the judges to select good entries because all the entries were best. But one has to be the best out of all good entries. That's why we have chosen only the best entry from that respective groups. So Vishwa Lalit is an independent activity in which students, professionals are encouraged to display their talent and demonstrate their position and capabilities as young emerging artists and visual communicators of our country. This is the first time that we are offering a great arena to our students to explore their creative ideas that have emerged through revisiting our traditions and cultural practices. So I know most of you are participants and you are eagerly waiting for the announcement of the results. Let me honestly admit that this prize distribution ceremony got delayed because of various reasons. We thought that we should call these participants as well as the prize winners in our annual exhibition called KARI. KARI is a platform where we encourage our students to display their creative work, and we call people from various industries to look at the work and appreciate students' effort. Also, students get different prizes. We thought that we should call these winners of this competition in KARI so that we will felicitate them in front of a huge crowd. But unfortunately, because of various reasons, it couldn't happen. And because of this pandemic situation, another lockdown we had to face. And because of that, the KARI has postponed. So, but we were receiving many emails and phone calls that what happened to the competition, when will be the result declared, and so on and so forth. That's why we thought finally to announce the results. And of course, the results are really good results, and participants, those who have participated, I must congratulate all the participants, those who have given response to this activity, even though it was online mode. Plus, I also congratulate all the winners who have scored a good marks and their entries got selected on this platform. MIT Applied Arts and Fine Arts under MIT ADT University is always encouraging students and professionals to take part in such competitions. We have another festival called as Persona Fest, where we get entries from all over the country, and students from various colleges, from different universities, they come together, they show their artwork, art piece, and paintings, and they win the competition. So the main reason for organizing this Vishwalalit competition online mode is because of this pandemic situation. We couldn't have Persona Festival in person on campus. That's why we thought that we should continue this activity some or the other way. That's why we thought that why not to call entries on online platform. So this Vishwalalit has came into picture, and you can go through our website, Vishwalalit. We have a dedicated website developed for Vishwalalit, where you will see all the entries displayed, right? And the results also will be displayed from today onwards, because we need to keep complete transparency in terms of entries, the result declaration, the name of the participants, their artwork, the quality of artwork, and everything. So that's why, to keep it more transparent, we thought that all the entries, whatever number we receive, should be displayed on our website. And we have displayed all the entries on website. And I request all the participants to go through website once and see that how the other entries are there. With this, I think we must congratulate all the participants and the winners on this unique platform, where they have submitted their entries. Some of them have won the prizes. They will be given cash prize as well as certificates. The cash prize will be directly credited to their bank accounts. Of course, as per the rules, government rules, whatever deduction will happen as far as your TDS is concerned, TDS will be deducted, and the cash amount will be directly deposited into your bank accounts. So winners will have to give their details of the bank account so that we can do the formalities there. And all the participants will definitely get certificate which are signed by our Honorable Executive Director, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor and Executive President of MIT ADT University, and me myself. So once again, I congratulate all the participants, and I request all the participants to be in touch with us and take part in other competitions henceforth whenever we declare. And we encourage such competitions. You never know that, this time you probably have not won the prize, but next time you definitely will be one of the winners. So keep that hope in mind and see that your artwork is getting maximum number of viewership online mode, and the results will be declared online mode, and plus this entire event is also live on Facebook. So it is a proud moment for all of us. So now, without wasting further time, I think we should declare the results. Yes, thank you. Over to you, Dipti.
Thank you so much, sir. We have received an overwhelming response for the competition. So thank you so much, all the participants, for the same. So now we would like to present the best 32 art pieces for the top contestants. I request the technical team to please play the video. This was a wonderful display of all the best work, talent, and creativity we have received from all over India and abroad. So now the wait is over. I would like to request our Dean, Faculty of Arts, Fine Arts and Performing Arts, Honorable Professor Dr. Milind Dobre sir, to please declare the award to the winners. Shall we start, sir?
Yes, thank you, Dipti. I think our technical team has created one nice video for all the winners. So I request all our technical team to display the video so that we can declare the result on screen itself. So yes, please start.
Many congratulations.
Shweta Patankar in the category of sketching.
Yes, many congratulations, Shweta. Shweta Patankar from Mumbai. She received cash prize of 5,000. Many congratulations. So let us move on ahead with the second award, student category in drawing. Yes, so out of 55 artworks, final best work, I would like to request her to please declare the winner.
Yes, please. So let's have a video. In the drawing category, students category, of course, in the drawing, Saloni Lodha from Pune.
Many congratulations, Saloni. Saloni has received a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Many congratulations. Yes, so moving on towards the next award in students category for photography. Out of 25 artworks, I request her to please announce the winner.
Yes. Now the third category, photography category from Students Award. Please play the video. Yes, congratulations, Arya. This is cash prize of first 5,000 rupees for photography competition.
Many congratulations, Arya.
Congratulations, Arya.
Yes. So now moving on towards the professional category in all sketching, drawing, and photography. Out of 25 artworks, I would request Honorable Sir to please announce the winner.
Yeah, let me honestly admit this, that it was really tough time for all the judges, and I mean, it was really difficult for us to take one best winner because from professional category, it was we received very good response and very nice entries from all the categories, but finally we had to declare the result. We have to declare the best entry from this category, and we have received a best entry from Mahesh. So can we have video for this? Mahesh Saundatte. Congratulations, Mahesh, for this award of 10,000 rupees cash prize and certificate. I hope all the winners are really happy by receiving these awards. I congratulate on behalf of MIT School of Fine Arts and Applied Arts, MIT Art Design and Technology University, and all the faculty of SOFA. So congratulations, all the participants and winners.
Thank you so much, sir. Once again, hearty congratulations to all the winners and the participants. Now moving on towards the vote of thanks. I would like to...
Dipti, before that, I would request all the winners, please switch on their videos so that we can have a group photograph.
Yes, sure.
If you could.
I request all the winners to please on your video so that we would have a memory, a good memory of this event.
And I don't mind all the participants who are there on screen, please switch on their videos so that we can have a photograph.
Thank you all the participants.
Hello.
And the winners. So I would like to take this opportunity for the vote of thanks. I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our founding father, Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, for his kind blessing and support. Also, I would like to thank our beloved Honorable Executive President and Vice Chancellor of MIT ADT University, Professor Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, for being a mentor and always guiding us. We also like to thank Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Anand Chakradev sir. I must express our gratitude to Honorable Executive Director, Mrs. Jyoti Dhakne ma'am, for her kind support and encouragement. A very sincere thank you to our principal and dean, Professor Dr. Milind Dubey sir, for this wonderful idea. He always appreciates students' achievements and motivates them to participate and explore their own potential. Thank you so much, sir. Mahendra Poddar sir, Professor Sheel Kumar Kumar. I would request everyone to please mute. And Professor Prasad Nikum sir for giving their honest feedback. Also would like to thank our publicity and technical team for the smooth production of this program. But last but not the least, thank you all dear students and participants for your overwhelming response and support. Thank you once again. Stay home, stay safe.